find out just how good you are.
That is hammered. That'll get into the corner. Alan Craig on his way to third. Oquendo will wave him in. Here comes the relay. The throw to the plate, not in time. What a shock, huh? 2 outs, and David Freese delivers with an RBI double. A 2-out RBI, and it makes it 2-0 St. Louis. That guy is clutch.
Very good with 2 outs. Very good with runners on base. Also had a watchful eye on Alan Craig running from first all the way home. He little tender it looked like when he crossed home plate. It's a long way to go. This ball gets into the corner, bounces around just a little bit. Craig had a good jump. Jose Oquendo being aggressive, and it pays off.